Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. Thabo Bester has once again managed to get people talking on social media as he appeared at the Hosi Mampuru Correctional Center today for a virtual court appearance, you guys. Well, people were shocked that he is once again receiving special treatment for his virtual court appearance because the pandemic is long gone. But here we have Thabo Bester who can make demands not to go to court because he has money. Also, he had people talking for wearing a Louis Vuitton sweater, which is worth over 20,000 rands. You guys, people on Twitter had a lot to say regarding that. These are some of the comments. Thabo Bester is on some court swag. First appeared on some Burberry and now Louis Vuitton sweater. Hashtag Thabo Bester. 25,000 rands Louis Vuitton sweater. Bangene King. Hashtag Thabo Bester. Hashtag Dr. Nantipa. Now there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.